Serious adventure awaits, and it's never been easier to keep your caravan level and stable with the new TRED GT leveling ramp pack. When we designed this product, we thought about absolutely everything. We thought about resistance as you're driving onto the ramp to make sure it's the minimum amount for the maximum height. We thought about the length of the leveling ramp to ensure we fit between tandem axle wheels, even the tightest with the biggest wheels on it. What we want to do is we want to make a compact, easy to store, lightweight leveling solution, an absolute perfect accessory to complement some of these beautiful vans that we see out at campsites today. Some of the challenges when it comes to leveling out your touring rig, it can be a single axle caravan, it can be a tandem axle caravan, or it could be a four-wheel drive with a rooftop tent. The same process applies to all of them. You need to level it for that perfect night's sleep. Have a look at this tandem axle setup. They're going for big off-road tires. Have a look at how tight this gap is. So finding a leveling ramp that's going to give you maximum amount of level but actually fit between the two wheels is quite challenging. That is why we introduced this particular pack. The TRED GT leveling ramp pack provides up to 115 mils of leveling. The thing you got to remember is tire diameter. Tire diameter plays a big part on how far you can get up the ramp, and that's across any leveling ramp. So ours is a single ramp gradient and offers finite adjustments, and the chock will actually ratchet in to absolute perfect position so you can chock and secure your van safely. One of the features of the TRED leveling ramp is, well, it links together. This is called our TRED link feature, and it's something that you'll start to see across a lot of our products. It makes storing the product an absolute breeze. Then it all unclips. So you can clip the two ramps apart. Now you've got your two leveling ramps. Your sink plates are actually stored on the bottom. These sink plates remove and they actually link within themselves as well. With them removed, you can get up to 115 mils of leveling height. On the back here, you've got your chock. It can be removed before you place it in front or behind your wheels, or removed afterwards. How we achieved that was with the lateral push and pull motion. So you can push it and remove from the back. The chock has an integrated little backstop. It creates a great visual to ensure that that tire's not going to go any further. So with your chock removed from the back, the way it's designed, it actually sits on your ramp and it ratchets in. That ratchet in effect makes engaging it to your tire a lot easier. It's just simply pushing in, so you lower the van down onto that to create your level, secure surface. After that, what you can actually do on the side of each of these chocks, we've put a little tether point. You can grab your TRED leash from your recovery boards or rope or anything like that, and that's just going to help when it comes time to remove. Take the load off the chock by reversing the van up just slightly, and then with the leash attached, you can actually just pull the chock out of the way, roll the van down. Simple, easy. Get your chock, put it back on, link your two ramps together, chuck it in the back of your van, and you're on your way. Sink plates. Stored on the back. You've got your stabilizing legs here. Once you've dropped it down, on top of that, you're going to then crank the arm down, pushing onto the plate to create you a good, flat, firm surface. Less chance of this leg sinking into the ground. This is perfect for places like when you're on a beach or really soft campsite grounds. This is going to help and make sure that you keep that stable and level for the whole duration of your camp. Integrated into the TRED GT leveling ramp is our honeycomb design, which is absolutely superior strength. Couple that with, on the base, it's a flat surface. The reason we did that, you're not always going to be on a perfectly flat, hard-packed ground. You could be on sand, you could be on soft ground, soft dirt, crusher dust. Creating a full flat surface like this is going to make the leveling ramp be more stable and less prone to sinking in over time whilst your van is at your campsite. We may not be able to back your caravan into your spot, but we're certainly going to make leveling and stabilizing your van for a great night's sleep an absolute breeze.